a lovely rainy day in Brisbane and I'm heading towards Kaon. Here it is here. CNN, Machining and Fabrication. Kaon. Let's go and see Tin and Linda. Hey guys, I'm here at Kaon in Brisbane and I've just taken a tour with Tin to have a look at an amazing production facility, and particularly when you look at the quality of the Kaon 4x4 accessories, you'll understand why it's so bloody awesome and really good Australian made gear. I'm going to turn the camera around now and let's have a look at Kaon. Alright, so as I wander around, I'm going to have a look. There's some amazing massive machines here and they all do different things, but it's what brings us the quality. Now I was just talking to Tin. Tin was explaining to me how much pride the guys do in their welding here. It's quite amazing. Kaon's been around for 30 years, starting as an engineering company in the bottom of a garage. And this lathe here is 30 years old and that's where it started. So it's still got the history. You couldn't imagine how many apprentices along the way have actually worked on that lathe. But let's go over the road and have a look where they dispatch all the gear. So you can see their big folders. Crazy amazing. All right, let's go for a wander. So it's in two sheds. It's raining like anything here in Brisbane today. But we'll go across and we'll have a look through here. So you can see here, well, this is the start of some water tanks ready for production. These are more the commercial stuff they do. They're actually for formwork for concreting. Underbody protection there. The other really cool thing, I was talking to Tin, is they're very environmentally friendly. They don't wrap the underbody protections in foam and all that sort of stuff. They actually get blankets. So the blankets are wrapped around the underbody protection and then wrapped in the black plastic. So you can see here we've got 200 series. There's Prado. And you can see the guys there, they're wrapping them up in the blankets. So there's a bit of a dispatch here. They've just come out of a show on the weekend, so it's busy. So if we go across here, you can see one of the tables getting wrapped there, ready to go. It might be for a Prado or a 120 series. And there's one of the cargo barriers. So that'll be all bubble wrapped. Have all the accessories, a nice Kaon sticker for you guys. And off you go. All right, we'll wander this way. So the Prado over here is the Prado which start off in the four-wheel drive sense because they do so much Prado gear. And all of the product testing was done on this 150 series. And they've got the FJ up there as well. Lots of tables, lots of really amazing gear. You can see there the guys are wrapping all the bits and pieces to go out. This room here is where all the smalls go out. How you going? Hey. So when you guys order travel buddy mounts or bonnet antenna lights, mounts, it all comes from here. You got your shelves there. You got your cargo barriers. So the finished product all is dispatched from here. So you know that the guys have got plenty of stock and you're going to get it in a timely manner. Anyway, I just thought I'd give you a quick look around Kaon and we'll keep going from there. Okay guys, now I'm in the 3D printing part of Kaon, where you can see here they've got the 3D printers going hard at it, making all the different lugs, components. Tim's just showing me the little components there to stop the cargo barriers from actually squeaking. So a lot of thought has gone into the design of these fantastic cargo barriers. I love it. I love the one in my 150. So you can see the amount of effort that these guys go into to make sure they bring a fantastic quality, Australian made quality, to you guys out there for driving. Anyway, this is Trev signing off at Kaon in Brisbane.